This video is a demonstration of patient monitor. First, take off the lid and insert the batteries. Close the lock. Close the lid. Accessories provided with this model are power cord, SpO2 sensor, 5 LED ECG cable, BP extension hose, temperature sensor, electrode, BP cuff, manual, and the ground wire. First, connecting the power cord. Connection for ECG cable. Connecting the SpO2 cable. There are two channels of temperature. You can connect either here or here. First, connect the BP extension hose, then the other end to the cuff. Now powering on the system. This patient monitor can be operated either by rotatory knob or by touch screen. Both functions are available in this model. There are 6 buttons here. First, the silence button. It can silence the system. Second, pause. It can pause the alarm. Third, freeze. It can freeze the system. Fourth, BP. It can measure the BP. Print. It can print the recordings. Sixth, main menu. Screen layout, screen setup, review, patient manage, record setup, standby, calculation, monitor info, work mode, resume default configuration. Now we will checking the oxygen level by using SpO2 sensor. As you can see the SpO2 readings as well as the BPM. This is a temperature probe. Right now the temperature probe is connected to channel 1 and it's a skin type probe. You can see the readings of the temperature here. So, as we have seen, we can measure temperature, respiration rate, oxygen level, BP, heart rate, and ECG. Thank you.